Ever wondered about different types of yoga and their benefits? Today, we are diving into the world of yoga to explore its numerous styles. Yoga is not a one-size-fits-all practice. Its beauty lies in its diversity, catering to different needs, preferences, and physical abilities. Whether you're a beginner seeking gentle movements or an experienced practitioner pursuing a vigorous workout, there's a yoga style for you. We'll be discussing popular types like Hatha, Vinyasa, and Iyengar, moving on to more challenging styles like Ashtanga, Bikram, and Hot Yoga. We'll also delve into the spiritual and meditative aspects found in Kundalini, Yin, and restorative yoga. Each style has unique benefits, from enhancing flexibility and strength to promoting mental relaxation and self-awareness. With the vast array of yoga styles available, it's all about finding the one that resonates with you. So let's start our journey. First off, we have Hatha, Vinyasa, and Iyengar yoga. Hatha yoga is a great starting point for beginners, concentrating on basic poses and gentle movements. With an emphasis on holding poses, it builds strength and improves balance. Not to mention, it's a great stress buster and beneficial for blood pressure control. Next up, Vinyasa yoga. This style is known for its faster pace, harmonizing movements with breath. The poses flow seamlessly into one another, offering a cardio workout while enhancing flexibility and strength. You'll find Vinyasa classes varying in intensity, making them accessible even if you're just starting your yoga journey. Lastly, we have Iyengar yoga. This type zeroes in on precise bodily alignment and often incorporates props like chairs and belts to aid in poses. It's a slow, meditative style that improves flexibility, muscle tone, and posture. Plus, it's a great way to boost your circulation and digestion. These yoga types offer a mix of gentle movements and precise alignments, catering to beginners and those seeking an adaptable routine. Next up, we have Ashtanga, Bikram, and Hot Yoga. Ashtanga yoga is a structured series of poses that test your strength, endurance, and flexibility. It's a discipline that requires commitment and repetition, making it a perfect fit for the patient practitioners amongst us. This style provides a full-body workout and quick results, but it may not be the ideal starting point for beginners due to its intensity. Then we move into the heated world of Bikram yoga. This style consists of 26 poses performed in a room heated to a challenging 105 degrees Fahrenheit over 90 minutes. The intense heat adds a layer of difficulty but also aids in detoxification through sweating. Remember, hydration is vital with this physically demanding practice. Finally, we have Hot Yoga, similar to Bikram but without a specific sequence of poses. Conducted in a heated room, it enhances flexibility and detoxification. While it's accessible for beginners, the heat itself can pose a challenge. These yoga styles are for those who love a challenge and seek a full-body workout. Lastly, we delve into Kundalini, Yin, and restorative yoga. Kundalini yoga is a vibrant blend of physical postures, meditation, and breathing exercises, with a strong emphasis on consciousness-raising chants. This practice is ideal for those looking to energize their bodies and elevate their minds, strengthening the inner self and increasing self-awareness. Moving on to Yin yoga. This style is a tranquil fusion of physical poses and mental relaxation. It's all about balancing energy and calming the mind. Poses are held for extended periods, stretching connective tissues and improving joint mobility. The key benefits? Stress reduction, improved circulation, and enhanced flexibility. Last but certainly not least, we have restorative yoga. This yoga style emphasizes relaxation and rejuvenation through gentle, prolonged poses supported by props. It's the ideal antidote for stress, promoting mental and physical relaxation. These yoga types are perfect for those seeking inner peace, self-awareness, and a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of life.